Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 2 of programming in HTML5 choosing the text editor. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock and then click on the launch pad, navigate to the application called text editor, text edit, and now we can go to the navigation bar, click on text edit, click on the preferences, and change the format from rich text to plain text, and then go to open save. When opening a file, click the box that says display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatting the text. And now we can close this down and open a new file. And now we are ready to save this file as index.html. Command S will save the file, so we can now go to the documents, make a folder called HTML5, create, and now we can rename the file index.html, and now we can save. And then we have a message on screen that says you have used the extension .html at the end of the name. The standard extension is .txt, but we are programming in HTML5, so we need to use .html. Save the file, navigate to Finder, and now go to the documents, click on the folder HTML5. We can double click on the file called index.html, and this is what we see on screen. Close Safari, close Finder, close text edit. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.